Some commuters in eastern St. Thomas are having a hard time on the road. This taxi operator explains that the roads being dug up due partly to the construction of the new South Coast Highway is costing him in car parts. And that's not all.
I run taxi from Portman to Morant Bay. Boy, the road not tan good. None at all. St. Thomas not tan good. None at all. Yeah, we want the development, you know. That good. What if an investor will be coming in? But a big precipice in the road, the man that dig up 5 miles out the road and go left it. We want better than this, man. We have a driving service, man. And the kids they need to go to school. And you know, right now, I see in at 10 o'clock, I see kids in a bus shed right now. So do not do better than this, man, please.
They say time is also an issue.
We left bad from 7 o'clock and now a quarter past 8. A joke thing this.
The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is tagged to cost over $400 million. The two-part SCHIP involves the rehabilitation of 110 kilometers of roadway from Maypen to Williamsfield, leading into Harbour View, then into Port Antonio, Portland, and from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley in St. Thomas. The plan also includes the relocation of some 131 Jamaica Public Service Company light poles, as well as NWC pipelines, and install ducts to facilitate the government's broadband initiative. Despite the disruption to normal activities, there is an overall understanding that the development will open up avenues of business and employment opportunities for residents.